For the east coast of the U.S. and the peninsula of Florida, they'd give us a 45% chance of getting hit with one of the 8 hurricanes they are expecting this year at this point of April. They're expecting 17 named storms, and out of the 8 hurricanes, 4 major hurricanes. So not terribly different than last year. One of the models that they use is something called the ACE, which is the accumulated cyclone energy. So basically that's at a 140 this year. Last year it was at a 180. So an active season. One of the things we always look to is La Nina or El Nino. El Nino typically means less hurricanes. At this point, though, we're in a La Nina, and it's a really far out chance that we enter an El Nino cycle. The other thing that they cited, they used a combination of dynamical and statistical models as well as analog models that line up to what they are predicting this year from years past. And again, suffice it to say, we all need to be on our guard because it is going to be more rather than less active this year.